Alright, we're gonna see how much snow we got overnight. Alright. Car is pretty much covered. This, I plowed this last night like twice already. But, yeah. I wonder how much snow we got. So, I got my ruler. And we're gonna measure it. Crunchy snow, crunchy snow. Jesus Christ. Alright. So, I'm gonna measure it probably here. Let's see. The driveway is at 8. But up here where I didn't plow, let's see. It's my ruler is sinking. So yeah. Whew. Damn. Hot damn digging the dog. Alright, so the car is covered. And it's still snowing. They plowed it 2 or 3 times last night, but still now it's covered. So yeah. I just called out from work. There's no way I'm gonna go to work in this weather. So I'm just gonna plow and see how much accumulation we get throughout the day.